Jambi Agro Industrial Park, developing agro-industries which are based on integrated, modern, professional, commercial, ecological, community participation, and sustainable development. The province of Jambi is geographically located between 0 degree and 45 minutes to 2 degree and 45 minutes south latitude and between 101 degree and 10 minutes to 104 degree to 55 minutes east longitude. In the northern part, the province of Jambi borders on the province of Riau and Riau Archipelago, while it has the South China Sea as a border in eastern part. The southern part of the province borders on the province of South Sumatra and the province of West Sumatra and Bengkulu in the western part. The province of Jambi covers an area of 53,435 square kilometers, which consists of 9 districts and 2 municipalities. The number of population in the province slightly increased from 2,742,196 in 2007 to 2,788,269 in 2008. Between the 2 years, the population growth rate was 1.68%. The province's social, political, and security conditions are the most stable and peaceful among Indonesian provinces. The harmony in the relation between local government and society and religious tolerance have maintained a stable and peaceful social and political life in the province. Vision and missions of long-term development strategies. Vision: become a wealthy, modern, and autonomous province. Missions: building a province with competitive advantage. Creating a religious, a devout, and civilized society. Creating a democratic society based on the rule of law. Promoting security, peace, and order. Promoting an equal and even development. Promoting sustainable development. Economic conditions. The regional economic growth of the province has steadily increased higher than the growth rate of national economy. The basis of provincial economy is primary sectors, particularly agriculture, plantation, and mining. While agriculture and plantation contributed around 23% of the provincial GDP, the share of mining sector was 24% in 2008. The province of Jambi has abundant natural resources. The reserve of natural gas is estimated around 2.3 trillion meter cubics, oil is 1.3 billion barrels, coal is 1.5 billion tons. Coal annual production is 4.2 million. Since 2007, the province has exported coals to a number of countries, such as Singapore, Bangladesh, South Korea, and China. Investment climate and infrastructures. Provincial government of Jambi offers a very conducive investment climate which attracts both domestic and foreign investors. Good investment climate at local level has been supported by peace and security, stable political and social circumstance, inclusive local culture, sound local economic policies, good physical infrastructures, institutional arrangement, and well-educated labor force. To promote economic progress, the provincial government has developed road network, telephone, electricity, and ports. Jambi Agro-Industrial Park in regional and international trade routes. To increase the value of agriculture products, the provincial government of Jambi has taken an initiative to foster the development of processing industries to transform primary commodities to intermediate goods or final goods. The idea is translated into the development of an industrial park called JAIP or Jambi Agro-Industrial Park. The particular goal of the agro-industrial park is to accelerate regional economic growth by enhancing the value added of agricultural and plantation products. By establishing the park, the provincial government aims to attract processing industries. These industries hopefully are able to increase the value of local agricultural products and are able to enhance the competitive strength of Jambi's agro-industrial products in the international market. The agro-industrial park occupies a total area of 188.6 hectares in Kampung Singkep, the sub-district of Muara Sabak Barat, the district of Tanjung Jabung Timur, Jambi. JAIP has a strategic position for the following reasons. Firstly, it is located on the Sumatran shore of the Malacca Strait, which is one busiest international trade route. Secondly, it is close to regional and international trade centers, namely the province of Bangka Belitung, the province of Riau Archipelago, Singapore, and Malaysia. Thirdly, the location of JAIP is near of the Western Indonesian International Sea Line, which increases its strategic position. Fourthly, it is strongly linked to economic activities in two growth triangles, namely Indonesia-Malaysia-Singapore Growth Triangle or IMSGT and Indonesia-Malaysia-Thailand Growth Triangle or IMTGT. Fifthly, the Jambi Agro-Industrial Park are closely connected to some regional growth centers such as Jambi and Kuala Tungkal and towns in neighboring provinces such as Tembilahan, Lingga, Singkep, Tanjung Pinang, and Batam. It is only around 200 kilometers from the island of Batam and around 330 kilometers from Tanjung Pinang. Infrastructures and supporting facilities. To bring JAIP into reality, the provincial government of Jambi has made some concrete measures, including a comprehensive feasibility study and master plan, accelerating the construction of roads, electricity networks, water supply system, and supporting port in Muara Sabak. The development of Muara Sabak Port is one priority in provincial government policies to support the Jambi Agro-Industrial Park and to precipitate regional economic progress. From the intra-regional perspective, the existence of transportation facilities links the Jambi Agro-Industrial Park with other regions in the province of Jambi and other economic centers outside the province. The park can be accessed through multi-gateways such as from Muara Labu, from Padang, Riau, Lubuk Linggau, Palembang, and from Batam and Singapore. All gateways are connected to cities and the province in which the port of Muara Sabak has played a critical role as a supporting facility for the agro-industrial park. The master plan of JAIP. The Jambi Agro-Industrial Park is located between two rivers, namely the river of Batanghari and the river of Lepian Dalam. Batanghari is an important transportation route in the province. The Jambi Agro-Industrial Park occupies a plain with declivity is between 0 to 8% and the elevation is between 3 to 15 based on sea level. The smooth topographic conditions of the location makes the construction cost relatively cheaper and physical development of the agro-industrial park become easier. Since the construction process hasn't been started, the existing location of the industrial park remains a swamp area and grassland. Local inhabitants have cleared some parts of the location in which they cultivate coconuts and touch palm. In order to develop the agro-industrial park is an attractive industrial site, the provincial government of Jambi has conducted a comprehensive feasibility study and have formulated systematic master plan. The park is designed as a location for agro-industrial activities that focusing on processing crude palm oil to be palm oil chemicals and crumb rubber. The basic concept of the agro-industrial site planning is relied on the principle of an eco-industrial park in which industries for sustainability is a main component. Spatial planning and structure of the park has been designed to respond the existing condition of the location of the industrial park, which composed mainly by swamp area. In addition, some small rivers and two drainage streets are crossing from the east to the west part of agro-industrial area. Therefore, the topography of the site will be reconstructed. The middle part of the location will be higher than other parts of the agro-industrial park. The water then will be flown down through the two drainage channels. Building in the park is designed according to the principles of tropical architecture, which consume less energy. In doing so, architectural design will take into account the direction of sunlight and wind. Investment opportunities. In particular, the main goal of Jambi Agro Industrial Park is to promote the development of oleochemical and crumb rubber industries and its derivative industries. Oleochemical industries process crude palm oil to be intermediate goods for chemical industries such as soap, cosmetics, and other health products. Given the fact that these products are highly demanded in the market, the development of oleochemical industries will foster a cluster of palm oil-based industry. The total production of crude palm oil in Jambi was 875.436 tons in 2008. The annual growth rate of the palm oil production was 6.92% in the same year. The total volume of export was 71.506 tons in 2008, or 43.264 million US dollars in the value of export. While 8.16% of palm oil has been exported to international market, local market in Jambi absorbed 2.85% and 89.89% is sold to other islands of Indonesia. Another important industry in Jambi is crumb rubber manufacturing. Jambi has a huge potential of crumb rubber. In 2008, the production volume of crumb rubber was 252.300 tons, with annual growth rate 6.2%. The province has exported 206.494 million kilograms of rubber and its derivative products to international market in 2008. The total value of export was 543,254 US dollars. From total volume of crumb rubber production, 57.68% was sold to international market and only 42.31% was marketed in domestic consumers. The construction of an oleochemical processing factory in the agro-industrial park will cost 25,500,000 US dollars. It is estimated that investment return will be reached in 4 years and 9 months with annual profits as much as 20,599,000 US dollars. As for a new crumb rubber factory, costs 15,480,000 US dollars. The investment will return in 7 years and 3 months. The net present value of crumb rubber is 1,282,633,630 rupiahs. The previous financial analysis shows that the development oleochemical and crumb rubber factories is economically feasible. Therefore, potential investors may allocate funds for constructing the factories when the industrial site has been established in the agro-industrial park. When the industrial park is fully operated, investors can directly contact agency that is responsible for managing the agro-industrial park, with firms that offer logistics and transports, with mechanics with agency who arrange documents and warehousing, and other service agencies in the park. Moreover, the provincial government of Jambi has developed a number of incentives and investment schemes to support investment in the park. The incentives encompass 30 years operation permit for foreign investors, 60 years land concession, low import tariff for raw materials and capital goods for both domestic and foreign investors. The provincial government of Jambi offers a wide opportunity for both domestic and foreign entrepreneurs to invest their capital in the industrial park. In addition to incentive previously mentioned, the provincial government have also established a clear procedures concerning time and cost of investment permit, full ownership of property by foreign investors, the simplification of immigration procedures and of export-import regulations.